Hello and welcome to Model Rail video number 10, which is designed to be enjoyed alongside and in association with your monthly Model Rail magazine. The long summer days, hopefully a bit better weather than this, are traditionally a time for getting out and about, not staying indoors modelling, and the Model Rail team is no exception. Every year, tens of thousands of people visit our preserved railways, both standard and narrow gauge. The Severn Valley Railway is home to one of Britain's best known and best preserved lines. It's currently the home of number 45110. Hornby has produced a superbly detailed, ready-to-run model of the old faithful Black 5, and we'll be taking a look at this later in the programme. N-gauge is the smallest practical scale for modelling in the UK, but as we'll see, Leyland Model Railway Club tackles its subject very generously with its Starbeck bridge layout. Model Rail model maker Darren Sherwood shows how to change numbers on a Bachmann locomotive, whilst editor Chris Lee paints some figures to go inside a DMU. Our prototype inspirations feature looks at the Class 89 and 91 electrics and the push-pull passenger operation on the East Coast Main Line. Dave Lowry raises the temperature literally when he moves from low melting point soldering to something altogether hotter, and he shows how to expertly handle larger brass sections. And finally, another superb small layout. This time it's Dunstan Green from Kelvin Barnes. Classic branch line action in 00.